Hey guys, so in this video I am doing an avocado bentonite clay hair mask, and you can see my face. I do not feel good. I have a terrible headache, but I wanted to record this video anyways because I tried a new dry shampoo by Ren Pure, the rose water one, and at first I thought I liked it, but it ended up putting like a coating on my hair, and instead of fussing with it for another week, I decided, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and it did leave some flakes. That's what you just saw, kind of brushing out my hair. But anyway, so I am sectioning off my hair, and you can see me doing that. When I get the sections, I kind of twist the hair and pin it down with a butterfly clip. So that's what you see me doing now. So here I am showing you what it looks like. It looks absolutely disgusting, but I'll put the recipe down below because I really did like the results from this mask. So I'm going to saturate my hair with water. Some people apply this dry, but I feel like it works best with water. In my opinion, the wetter the hair, the better, but that's just for me. Now, I added avocado to the bentonite clay because I wanted it to be like a smoother application. If you've ever tried bentonite clay before, it can be a little bit thick and like hard to apply because it's clay. It hardens, it's kind of stiff, there's no slip. And even with the avocado, there wasn't really any slip, but it was definitely a much more enjoyable application than when I've used the bentonite clay by itself. Still good results either way, but as far as the application process, I definitely enjoyed the avocado edition much better. Once I finish the section, I just go ahead and twist it up, and then I apply some to my edges because I want to make sure I don't neglect that. It's also good for the scalp, so don't be afraid to put it on your scalp. And then I move on to the next section. So here you can see me do this next one. So now I'm all finished. I'm turning around so you can see it. Now I'm going to spray my hair with water because to me, like, the hair needs to stay wet, because if it doesn't, the bentonite clay will harden. And then I put on a shower cap. I used all of it, and 30 minutes is the time that I end up keeping it on for. So this is after 30 minutes has passed, and I'm going to rinse it out and shampoo my hair. Here are my results after I get out. As you can see, my hair has a nice shine to it. My hair is very smooth. I didn't have any trouble getting the avocado out of my hair. My hair feels very moisturized and conditioned, but I still decided to go ahead and follow up with a deep conditioner because I did shampoo the mask out. Alright Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know if you've ever tried bentonite clay before or would be willing to try an avocado bentonite clay hair mask. And until next time, bye guys.